So it's Saturday, we're at the bowling alley. Today they're having a tournament instead of league bowling. So they're gonna get trophies and they're not even bowling together. Ray is on lane 1 and Anders is on lane 3. It's gonna be so weird. Also, I did my eyebrows brown today instead of black. And I kinda like it better than black.
Just don't get upset about it. Even if it doesn't, we actually got the one in the end.
Good job, Trey! Yeah! Good job, Trey!
Stay, 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 stay. No! Dang. And then Anders is over here. He bowled a 53. Raylan bowled a 24. That's game 1. One more to go. Come on, bud. Come on, bud. Get it. Get it. Good job, bud.
No foul.
Come on, Anders. Come on. Get it, Anders. Get it. Stay. Stay. No, too far. Good try, buddy. Good try. Come on, bugger. Come on, bugger. Dang. She's not having the greatest bowling day, but that's okay. She's gonna get a trophy anyways. Come on, Anders. Come on, Anders. Come on, Anders. Come on, Anders. Nice, buddy.
Come on, Trey Davis, let's go!
Come on, Ray. Come on, Ray. Get some pins. Come on. Turn. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Turn, 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 turn. Yes, Buggy!
Yeah!
Good job. This game, Raylan got a 30. 30 wiped it, but Anders had a 72. So the kids are done bowling. 1 o'clock, or it's 11 o'clock. And awards don't get handed out until 1 o'clock. Do you have any kids here?
Oh yeah.
Anyhow, Pee-wees. Three of you are getting scholarship money.
Ooh.
3 of the Pee-wees are getting scholarship money. And of course, what did I forget? They got it.
I don't know.
First place for the $3.89, $37.80 goes to Anders
Salcedo. Woo! First place. Aww.
And I know I should have started with high game. High game was a 90. And it goes to Aston.
Woo!
He's getting another $25. Can I get Raylan up here?
Raylan, go.
Raylan?
Raylan?
Woo!
Oliver Coker? And that's because we had a tie in second place.
He got first freaking place. I don't get how he added numbers either. Well, I know they go off of your handicap too. So he won $29 towards scholarship. 37. Oh, 37. 29 was second place.
You're gonna get a
$37 to go to college. Good luck. It is for college. So with Thanksgiving coming up, my husband said that he would smoke a turkey for the party we're going to. And so tonight we decided to do a practice turkey on the smoker. He seasoned it. I'll ask him what he seasoned it with if anyone's interested. So this is his smoked turkey. I'm excited to eat it. And I made some homemade mashed potatoes with red potatoes. And right now we have corn. We invited the Winklers over to enjoy it with us. Obviously they're family now. So we're just waiting for them to get here and for the corn to cook. And then we're gonna have our own little mini Thanksgiving. And I can't wait because that turkey smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it.
Yeah.
Down the breast.
It's a small turkey though.
It is
It actually just looks like a chicken.
It's just a fat chicken. Surprise, we didn't even get turkey.
Shit, man.
You wanna get my shoes?
So, my kids are leaving with the Winklers. They're going to have their first slumber party with Calvin. And I don't know what to do with myself. Literally, Anders has never had a slumber party. He's 6 years old. He's never spent the night at someone else's house other than like family and we're all together. So kind of freaking, but I know Mandy can handle it and it'll be okay. I might actually end up in bed soon because I'm already tired. Yeah, so that's gonna be it from us for today.
He's like, who in the world? These guys are all trying to sprint to the door and answer the door.
Christmas shirt?
Yeah, I'm wearing my Christmas shirt. You're wearing your Christmas?
Let's do Pro Beads, Andrew. Yeah, let's do
Oh, well that was... So we're out here in the freezing cold because the big boys want to launch rockets.
I love it. Oh,
Cold. Is that the launcher thing?
This is ground control right here.
Ground control. You know, technical terms.
Anders, walk slowly that way. Hold this. Walk slowly that way.
Just slow. Slow and
Keep going.
steady wins the race.
Keep going. That's good.
Stop.
No, just put it down. Perfect. I remember doing these as a kid, always getting really, really nervous before you launch it.
I just don't want anyone to lose any fingers here.
No, like, because you just spent all this time building it, and you're like, oh man, here we go. It's gonna launch. I don't know if the parachute's gonna come out.
Angled.
That way when,
All right.
Whoop.
that way when the wind takes it.
Well, when we kill a German,
Don't say that.
come here, Zeke.
Oh my god, they're so cute over there.
Hey, sit, dog. Ready? Yep. Sit.
Here we go. You guys ready? I'm flinching. They said go.
We're not doing it.
They said go.
Well, balls.
Now what? That was very anticlimactic. Take two. Oh god, it's spinning. I mean, it made the pop sound. We're not having much luck with these here rockets.
No.
Zeke, come here. Come here, dog.
Okay, please
All right.
let it fly.
Bull crap.
should have bought those protective goggles.
You want me to light it or you want to?
No, go for it.
Well, I guess it gives you enough time. Oh God, it's gone. Woo, your fingers. I feel like I want to find that like some Armageddon We had one successful attempt, but it's getting too windy, so maybe we'll try again later if the wind dies down. If not, we'll try it on another day. But it was pretty cool.